Look how cute it is! Hello Kitty 50th Anniversary Edition. This camera is simple and easy to use. So simple and easy that even kids can use this. You just basically take this camera, point and shoot and print, and it even has a selfie mode, and it doesn't require any expensive ink cartridges. Just a simple disclaimer that I did receive this from Kidamento, but I can't be more thrilled as a Hello Kitty lover and also someone who likes to journal. I can carry it everywhere and use it to make so many memories. Let's get to the unboxing. So when you open up the box, it has this really pretty Hello Kitty scavenger hunt memento book. Look, there are so many things you can put in here, including something about yourself, your family photos, and there are plenty of pages for you to make several digital images. It's so pretty and it's pink colored and it will have all your favorite Hello Kitty characters. I love this book. Also, it comes with this user manual, but make sure you stay until the end and we can go through how to use this printer. And finally, look, there's so many pretty little stickers that you can also put into this little memento with all the really cute photos you take. Isn't that cute? Now let's go to the box, and as you can see, there is a wrist strap. Very cute. So that's made out of pink. So if you want to hang that around your neck or use it as a wrist strap, you have that flexibility. There's a USB-A charger, which is fantastic. You can just recharge it with this cable. And look, it has a paper roll, which apparently will make 75 prints. And there's also my favorite, a sticker roll. So this will be really great if there are things you want to print out and stick into your favorite albums or notebooks. And of course, the highlight is definitely this digital printer camera. Look at that, it's so cute. There's Hello Kitty. So here is one side of the camera. Here's the top, the bottom, the sides, and on the other side you can see there are a couple of buttons on this side, and it also has a small screen so that you can see what you're printing or taking a picture of. Isn't it adorable? It even says hug me here. It's so cute. And Kidamento also sent me this additional scrapbook. I don't know if it comes with the kit, but I thought this was really generous. And it's basically a hardcover book where you can get ideas basically on what kind of things to print and put them in your notebooks. So thank you, Kidamento, for also sending me this scrapbook. So for the next part of the video, let's turn this on and see how we can use this. And if you're interested in knowing how to print from this printer, we can go through this together step by step. So as you can see on this side of the camera, there's an opening for the printer compartment. There's a loop here, so you can put that really cute Hello Kitty lanyard on there. And this is the rear camera lens, and this is the printer slot. And if I turn that around, you can see that on the other side, there is a power button on here, so it's an on-off, or if you want to change the view of the camera, so it can be kind of the rear view camera mode or the selfie mode, you can also use this switch. This is the return or the back button. This button here with the camera is basically the confirm button. And oh look, it even has video. So if you hold it down, you can make a video. And here you can't see it properly, but it's the charging indicator light. And there are a couple of buttons along here on the bottom. So you can see that this is a plus and a minus sign. It's basically a forward and backwards button. This is the album button. And finally, this is the print album to print whatever you see in the view into the printer paper. So under the cover, you can see there's a USB Type-C port, and also there's a micro SD card slot in here for the memory card, and this really small pinhole you can use as a hard reset button. Look, it's so cute. Hello Kitty comes up and we're ready to print. So what should we print first? Let's take a picture of Hello Kitty and Melody together. Say cheese. So if we click on this album button, we can take a look at the photos we took. So here is Kitty and Melody together, Kitty by herself, and Melody by herself. So let's put the paper into the camera and try printing out these images. So in order to open up the printer, there are two little slits in there. So if I just pull that up, just very gently, basically you want to take the paper and the paper should be underneath. So you can see that goes down there. And then this, make sure the direction is going up. And then you just close that with the paper sticking out. So let's try printing out this super cute photo of Hello Kitty and Melody together. Let's push the print button and see what comes out. Oh, it says printing now. I wonder what's coming out on the other side. And that was pretty fast too. You can see Kitty and Melody. And there it is. It's done. That looks pretty cute and it looks quite clear. And there's even a Hello Kitty mascot there on the top. What do you think? I think this looks actually pretty good. And you can just tear this off by ripping it against the edge on the top there. And you can stick these to any notebooks or cards or anything else you think of. But I'm pretty happy with this quality. It looks very 3D and it's very clear. What do you think? And look, it's so cute. You can choose from so many different frames to frame your photos. You can choose different frames like so. Aren't they cute? So depending on what kind of photo you're taking, you can choose from any of these super cute frames. Which one is your favorite? And it even comes in these different color tints. And of course, you can add all these adorable stickers onto the photo. Now let's try taking a photo with this frame. And let's print that. Let's see what's coming out on the other side. So as you can see, compared to the first one, this one now has a beautiful frame surrounding it. So you can take a picture of pretty much anything you want and have all these adorable Hello Kitty sticker frames around your photo. Isn't that so special? Here's a comparison of the first photo print and the second photo print with the frame. I really love that you can be so creative, either by just taking the photo itself, or you can choose different photo frames to choose the perfect frame for all your memories. Because it doesn't require ink, it's a lot more inexpensive, and even though it's in black and white, I still think it looks so pretty. As you can see, there's also a video mode. Basically, you just need to hold down the video button for a few seconds and you're ready to film. And when you're done, you just have to push it again and you can go back to the album to see your video. And here is what the lanyard looks like. So if I unfold that, it unfolds into a beautiful pink Hello Kitty lanyard. You can see that it's adjustable and it has these two loops on the ends. So you can carry it over your neck or even as a shoulder strap. So here I have the two clasps over the two loops, and now your camera is safe and secure. And finally, don't forget to turn off your camera so it doesn't run out of battery. And you do that by just pushing down on this. So I hope you found this video useful. If you're interested in this limited edition camera, I highly recommend you get it while it's still available. I'll leave links down in the description box below. And if you have any other questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram, where I'm super active on my Instagram page with a lot of Hello Kitty content. Thank you so much for joining us again, and we hope to see you next time. Bye bye now!